In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to show the grid in Adobe Photoshop. If you've ever struggled to line up elements precisely or keep consistent spacing in your designs, the grid is your secret weapon. It's a non-printing overlay that helps you align text, shapes, and images with confidence without leaving any marks on your final export. Before we begin, make sure you have a document open in Photoshop so you can see the grid appear on your canvas. The first way to turn on the grid is through the top menu. Move your cursor to the top of the screen, click View, hover over Show, and then select Grid. The moment you click it, a subtle grid will appear across your canvas. This is a toggle, so you can use the same path to turn it off whenever you don't need it. This method is great if you're still getting familiar with the interface or want a clear, deliberate way to switch the grid on and off. If you prefer speed, there's a quick keyboard shortcut. On Windows, press Ctrl and the apostrophe key together. The grid will instantly toggle on or off. If you're working on a Mac, use Command and the apostrophe. This shortcut is especially handy when you're moving elements around and want to quickly check alignment without breaking your flow. On some keyboards, the apostrophe key shares a key with the quotation mark. It's usually near the Enter or Return key. If the shortcut doesn't seem to work, make sure your text tool isn't active inside a text box, since that can capture the keystroke. Once the grid is visible, zoom in and out to see how it supports both big picture layout and fine adjustments. Remember, the grid is visual guidance only. It won't affect snapping unless you choose to use snapping features elsewhere, and it won't appear in prints or exports. To keep your canvas uncluttered, get into the habit of toggling the grid on while you align and off when you're evaluating the final look. If you find the default grid spacing or color hard to see against your artwork, you can customize it later in Photoshop's preferences. Look for the section dedicated to guides and grids, where you can adjust the line color, thickness, and spacing to match your workflow and improve visibility on different backgrounds. That's all there is to it. Use the menu path when you want a clear visual toggle and the shortcut when you need speed. With the grid at your fingertips, you'll design with